Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Frank motor ha ka hando trik urempang arhaja apun reu kala palat Paidbah saya ka weka kali thamai kata tata sera 2.0 ha ka kerdan ka thamai ha ka yo ki premium mid SUV ha ka ba ka dor jong ka dika kali kas dang khatway pon sausan lap tingka ya ka ba la palat Paidbah ha Frank motors maulai mauyong shillong ya ka nika kali thamai la palat Paidbah dau Ashish Ranjan, Ubade Chief Manager ka State Bank of India Laj Umkhra Branch, haringkat kitrai ka Frank Motors, uba indon lang pasa, bat ka kong Ivarika Lingdo. Ha ka jinge don lang bat ki nong tre ka Frank Motors, bat kiwe ki nong shakhat ngob ha. Kumban shia thu hangni, baka ni ka kali new Tata Sera, ka ba thamai, ka ba kentup ha ka Mynta jong ka premium mid SUV, ka dur thamai, ka ba khamhe, bat ka design ka ba Mynta, ringkat bat ka technology, bat ki lat jingeda ki ba thamai, ka ba pensuk ru, habalet jinglet shajingai, bat ka badan ya ka jaka shong ka ba he. Kinong thiet kali ha kate ka sing kilawan ban sakhi dalade ban pet ya ka jinglong jingman jong kate ka kali ka bathamai kani ka kali sera klayo ru ya ka red dot design award ka ba paunam ka ba pins kham ya ka jingklan bat ka jinglong bakar pang ka jongka
Nyak lang kali basi gimana kok sini.
All guys with cameras, this is the day we're waiting for. Make your shot worth it. So this is the legend. Tata Sierra of you guys.
Launches like today remind us of what we do and why we do it. To bring world-class products, backed by strong service and genuine commitment, closer to the people of Meghalaya. So, the all-new Sierra, it represents everything that Tata Motors stands for today. Innovation, safety, sustainability, and design excellence. It blends the nostalgia with the modern technology and the tradition with the future. This vehicle is designed for those who value comfort, convenience, performance, and a strong sense of identity.
I'm a proud Tata Motors stockholder for last 7 years. And there were times I had doubt of exchanging my car with a new model. But there was one incident where I met with an accident in my own car. I was driving my car. The car was in garage for almost 3 months. The person who was driving on the other vehicle was in ICU for 15 days almost. I came out of my car unscratched. That day itself, I have never thought about exchanging my car. But when I saw the trailer launch of Sierra a few months ago on Instagram while scrolling the reels, I had a doubt of exchanging my car. This car looked so good, that original version, that yellow and black. So I'll request everyone present here that stick with Tata. I have been with them for more than 5 years now, and I have no doubts of changing the car or the company.
So when we talk about Sierra, it's not only a vehicle, it's an emotion for us. So particularly if you ask me, it's an aspiration, it's an emotion which we always look up to. And we have grown up thinking that one day I will drive a Sierra. So this is that emotion that we carry within us. So you must have seen too many things about Sierra in different social platforms, but my request to all of you, because whatever you see, you will only believe when you touch and feel the car. So my request to all of you that once you get a chance to touch, feel, drive this car, please do it, because this is something different which Tata brand has made and going to offer to all the people of Meghalaya. So So I'll not take much of your time. I just wanted to wish best wishes to everyone, to the team Frank, and the way everything has come up for us in this platform. It is remarkable, and I knew I can take a very good days are ahead for us with this launch of David Legend, the Tata Sierra. And as we say, the punchline of Tata Sierra is escape mediocre, and definitely this is going to take us to new level. Thank you so much.
I'll start with the front. From the front, you can see we have the LED saber light DRLs, which is the first DRL connected DRL in the segment, and you get night saver LED by LED booster headlamps. So these headlamps, the faster you go, once it touches 80 kilometers, the headlamps will increase the power, the illumination as soon as you touch. So the more, when you go above 80, the faster you go, the higher the illumination will increase. So which is the first in the segment. So you can see we have front parking sensors, the LED fog lamps with cornering function, and we have the Aerofloat grille design. And as you know, Tata Motors has purchased GLR, Jaguar and Land Rover in 2008, and they have introduced the clamshell bonnet, which is used in Jaguar and Land Rover, the first in the segment. So if we go to the side, you can see there's flush door handles, and you can see this wrap around glass design, which if you look from the side, it looks like a 3-door. To maintain that 3-door design of the OG, the first Sierra, which was launched in 1991. So it has R19 alloy wheels, which is the biggest in the segment, and you can see a very strong and unique beam pillar right here. And I'll just talk about the rear. The rear also, it has a clamshell tailgate with gesture control, and it has the best in the segment boot space of 622 liters, which will help you when traveling with a lot of luggage. So it has the first in the segment parcel tray holder behind the rear seat. You can slide the parcel tray behind the rear seat, and it has hidden wiper and washer. So again, I'll put the right side over. So as I've mentioned you, the wrap around glass design. So if you see around the glass, there is no weather strips. The weather strips are hidden. So the design looks very neat, very clean design. And it has the best in the segment ground clearance of 205 millimeters. And it has the best in the segment wheelbase. Wheelbase of 2730 millimeters. So going to the interior, first of all, before going to the interior, I just want to say that what Tata Motors designed is. So I want to ask you, all of you, the best place in the house, where do you usually sit? In the living room, right? Where there's a TV, the sofa, you get to relax. There's a lot of places you can keep your mobile. So when Tata Motors designed the interior of this car, it designed as if you are taking your living room with you. So your living room is inside your car. So when you are sitting, there's a horizon view screen, a big screen, triple screen. So the front seat that has leg extender, you can actually extend the thigh support by pulling the seats. So it's the first in segment. And you get 39 life port spaces. So there's many spaces you can keep your mobile, any other things you have. So sitting inside the Sierra, you will not feel like you are sitting inside the car. The comfort is like sitting inside your living room. You are taking the living room with you wherever you go.